My name is Ashish Verma. Basically, I'm an MBA graduate, postgraduate, and I'm carrying good experience of around 12 to 13 years in marketing. So that experience was basically into offline marketing and all. So that is how it is. I have worked with around multiple industries like retail, FMCG, and hospitality.
Okay.
Right from India to Middle Eastern countries like Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, Dubai, and all. So basically it was all offline role, and then I thought I should upgrade myself in terms of having digital knowledge and experience, which will add extra. I wanted to upgrade myself, but slowly Middle East is also growing because people are very tech savvy and they are having so many platforms like Instagram and all. But whoever is opening new business and all, first of all, these things are very expensive. Second thing, there are very less quality people who have all these kind of knowledge.
Okay.
Wherein Indians have an upper hand and advantage. So that's why I thought to come down to India and then do this course and then implement it practically in my experience. Yeah, definitely I'm working on some startup ideas. Basically I'm building some concept around hospitality and e-commerce. So research and development is going on. I'm trying to understand the loopholes and advantages of related which are related with these kind of businesses. I was basically looking something which is reasonable, which has an institute which has got multiple branches in Bombay and Pune and all, and that was the advantage. And once I started searching and all, I got to know about Lips India and all. So and then I inquired about it. So the query was basically raised from online, and then that's how I got in touch with this institute, and they explained me more about the advantages in the course curriculum in detail, like right from making website, how to make a website and all, which I was not aware, and then how to do search engine optimization and optimize the complete website, and then take it to next level in terms of social media marketing and digital platform, which actually helped me a lot. Yes, I'm satisfied. So far, whatever was mentioned and everything is covered in the session, and the good advantage is that they do not take more than 16 to 17 students in one class, so every student get a one-to-one attention. Because those who are not even from technical background, they also get good mileage and understanding about how to do what to do practically. So practical things are being implemented and sorted right in front of students, which is very good for us to understand quickly and then implement it. Yes, I made my website and I did SEO, some content I am writing myself so that I can further optimize my website and then implement slowly social media marketing, SEO and all possible things, digital tools which I have basically learned so far on my website so that it can rank slowly, which is very nice for me to learn and then do it on my website only. Currently we did paid marketing and we analyzed the result of it, like what all things went wrong, where all we have to improve upon, and accordingly we change our strategy, like bidding strategy and all, whether it is working or not as far as analysis is concerned. So yes, we did a paid campaign as well, and it helped us a lot to understand more. Sure, definitely. I think nowadays all the youngsters and students are doing their graduation, post-graduation. So I would advise them to add something extra in their curriculum and their CV so that they get more mileage. For example, digital marketing, which is growing very nicely, and this is which everybody is just aware of, but they are not technically strong. So I think they should go into this field. They should upgrade themselves so that their CV is properly updated, and that's what industry is nowadays demanding. So it will improve definitely your work experience, your knowledge, and that's how you will be able to achieve your common goal, which is nothing but productivity.